Hello everyone. Hello everyone. In the previous video, we saw how we could add a blob from my local computer in Visual Studio to Microsoft Azure Storage Account. In this video, we want to see how we can list the blobs in my storage account to from Visual Studio. We want to access the blobs and list them. I'll be sharing my screen. Yeah, I believe you can see my screen. So this is the simple code snippet we'll be using. We've gone through all this in previous video. Here I'm declaring the connection string and also the name of my container. As I said earlier, we have a storage account. Inside the storage account, you have different containers, and in each of those containers, you can have your blobs. So we are declaring the blob service client class over here, and we have our constructor, and we are passing in the connection string. And we are using the same class, which is from the Azure Storage Blob library package. And this time around, we are using a method from it called getBlobContainerClient. And we are passing in the container name that has already been declared as frankly are your data. Then we are using a loop. We are looping through the container contents. We want to get the names of all the blobs within the container. However, this time around, we are using blob item, and this blob item is from the model, is from this storage.blob model rather than the storage.blob. And we are looping through the container client, which is the object that we've already declared in the previous line. And we are using a method from it known as getBlobs. And we are writing it to the output screen. So let's try to run this to see if what we have will be what we are going to see. And I think let me stop sharing and share my browser so that we can see the blobs that we have at the moment. As you can see, this was the first image that we added from Visual Studio in the previous video. Then this is another one that I uploaded from the portal. So we have two over here. I will stop sharing and I would run my um run my Visual Studio and I will share the output screen. As you can see, we have the names of the two blobs. So in our next video, we are going to be seeing how we can actually download these blobs um, from Visual Studio, not just the name. We are actually interested in the content. We are going to be seeing how we can do that. So we can see from here, we are looking at item.name because we are interested in just the name over here. But we'll see how we can get the actual item. So the first blob was an image, the second one was a text file. We are going to be seeing how we can access them from Visual Studio. All right, that's the end of this video. Have a great day.